While Philippine flag at the Davao del Sur provincial capital flies on half-mast, the province is grieving because of the untimely passing of Governor Dodo Cagas due to COVID-19 complications on June 10. Last June 3, Cagas was rushed to the emergency room of the medical center of Digos Cooperative Hospital due to difficulty in breathing. While confined in the hospital, his doctor niece was constantly updating the status of the governor on Facebook. Cagas is known for this favorite quote from an American missionary. He was on his second term as governor. Cagas is a veteran politico. He had been provincial governor from 2007 to 2013. Cagas also served as congressman from 1998 to 2007. He is survived by his wife, Davao del Sur Representative Mercedes Chan Cagas, and son, Vice Governor Mark Douglas Cagas IV.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.